Time. Oh my. Let's just try that. This one I didn't color. Now I add some sparkles because I know it's gonna be okay. Happy birthday. No. Happy birthday. And for F-O-R for Anika. That's so good. Now it won't come off. Good. Oh, you. Happy birthday to you, Anika. Hello everyone. I used the card, so it's a card. So I used paper, markers, glitter pen, gel pen. Let's see how it is. I even drew a picture, and I put stickers, and I even drew a cake. And it's my sister. She won't mind if I use that. And my sister drew this, and she drew a lot of stickers on there for today.
Can you explain more on this?
We'll teach you what we use. We use this marker. We use this gel pen. We use a marker like this, and we also use
India, what
color
is this
pencil.
one?
And
India, what is this one?
it's a decorating where every birthdays have it, and these are the balloons.
Wow, good job.
And
India.
you guys might know, like this looks like water spilling, but I just made a detail of someone's shadow.
Wow, good job.
You guys see that my sister did not do that, but I will do it for her. You guys want to watch how I do it. So you don't draw it through it, you just draw it like this. You just draw a circle on the bottom and just color it in. You guys might know where I got these. It's how you can make a detail. Anytime you're drawing, you can do that same thing I do with mine. So see that I added a lot of details in this, but this is my suggestion.